In this short video tutorial, we will discuss about the div tag that we write in the body section of the web page. In the last tutorial, we discussed that the tags that we write in the body section of the web page, they can be categorized into three main categories: the container tags, the content tags, and the form tags. Now, the div tag falls in the category of the container tag. So it is used to create the layout inside the body of the web page. Now, you can think of the div tag as the division tag. So it creates division in your web page. So by creating those divisions, you can create separate compartments in the body section of the web page, and in those compartments add your you can add the content of the web page. So let me draw and give you an example of how the div tag can be used. So suppose you want to create this kind of a layout in the web page, where you want to have a header, and you want to have a left section, and you want to have the right section. So you want to have a header, the left section, and the right section. Now, to create this kind of a layout, you will actually be using the div tag to first create the outer section of the body. So this outer section will be created by using the div tag. Then inside that div tag, you will use another div tag to create a division for the header of the web page. So after you have done this, you will be using a third div tag to create the bottom part of the web page. So this bottom part of the web page, so you will use a div tag to create this bottom part. Now inside this div tag, you will use one div tag to create the left section, the second div tag to create the right section of the page. So by using the div tags, you can create this kind of a layout in the web page. So the div tags are actually very extensively used uh, when you when you are creating a web page. So you create the division of the web page using the div tags, and then you put the content inside those divisions. So the div tag can be added by using the following syntax. So you put the less than sign, div, and then you close the div tag. So this is how you can create a div tag, and inside the div tag you can put whatever content you want, or you can put more div tags inside a given div tag. So with the help of the div tag, you can create any kind of a layout in the body of your web page. So this is a very simple tag, but it is extremely helpful when you want to create a two column or a three column layout with a header inside your web page. So with this, I hope you have understood the purpose of the div tag and the syntax for creating the div tag. So with this, we will end our short tutorial here. To access our complete web development course, please visit openeschool.com/webdevelopment. Also, please subscribe to our channel to get regular updates. Thank you.